Hey, VV Nation, tomorrow is not just another earnings report. It's not just another stock reporting after the bell. This is the king of AI stocks here. We're talking about Nvidia reports earnings, and right now, this is easily the most anticipated earnings announcement of the entire season. This stock is driving AI, driving semiconductors, driving the NASDAQ. Honestly, feels like it's been the market savior in the past. When Nvidia moves, everything moves. We're talking indexes, options can explode, portfolios swing. Now, the expectations, they're sky high. Investors are paying premiums in the market, in some cases, huge premiums. And that's exactly why tonight's conversation is so important, because when excitement gets extreme, logic disappears. And that's when investors forget to ask the most important question in the market. What is this stock actually worth? Not what social media says, not the hype, not what people hope it's worth, but what is the true intrinsic value of the business? That's right. That right there is why my favorite indicator inside VectorVest is something called value. It cuts through the noise. It tells you what a stock is fundamentally worth based on earnings growth. We also take into consideration inflation, interest rates, and other factors. It's a reality check. It's a way to say, okay, am I getting a deal here, or am I paying way too much? And here's what makes it even more powerful. This isn't some opinion, not hype, not just a guess. The value indicator was created decades ago by our founder, Dr. Bartolito, a mathematician and former MIT student. He built this formula using pure mathematics, not headlines, not gut feelings. We're talking math, equations, data-driven, a repeatable, rules-based way to calculate what a company is truly worth. And here we are decades later, and investors all over the world are still using that same mathematical foundation every single day, because math doesn't panic. Math doesn't chase hype. Math keeps you grounded. Now, here's something that surprises a lot of investors and our subscribers. Our buy recommendation inside VectorVest, it's not actually based on value. It's driven by price movement and trend strength, because price pays. Price momentum is what puts money in your pocket. So yes, you can absolutely have stocks that are a buy rating and still overvalued. And sometimes that premium is justified. If earnings per share are climbing, if you see EPS on the rise, if revenue is accelerating, if the company is delivering quarter after quarter and year after year, investors will gladly pay up for the quality. And that can work. But here's the key. You still need to know what you're paying, because there's a big difference between paying $110 for a $100 stock versus paying $110 for a $60 stock, especially heading to a major earnings event like Nvidia tomorrow. That's the difference between calculated risk and blind risk. So tonight, I'm going to show you exactly how the value indicator keeps you grounded when the market gets emotional. We're jumping straight into the software and walking through real examples. We'll look at Broadcom, a great case of a stock that ran hot, cooled off, and has now come back down to a much more fair valuation. We'll check out Microsoft, which not long ago was trading at a premium and now actually looks undervalued based on our intrinsic value indicator. Then we'll break down Netflix, Robinhood, AppLovin, some great examples, all perfect of how sentiment can push prices far away from fundamentals, and how value helps you spot those opportunities or risk before the crowd does. And of course, we'll bring it all back to Nvidia. So I know that's the question, because going into earnings, knowing whether you're paying a fair price, a discount, or a sky-high premium can completely change how you manage the trade. That is the edge. That's the discipline. That's how you invest smarter, not emotionally. So if you find this helpful and you want to instantly see the intrinsic value of the stocks you own or the ones you're watching, take advantage of our free stock analysis report. The link is right down in the description. Run your stocks through it, see what they're really worth. And you might just be surprised what you find out. All right, let's jump into the VectorVest software. We're going to pull up the charts and I'll show you exactly how to use value to stay one step ahead of the market, and starting with Nvidia. Let's go.
Hey VV Nation, you know that we can analyze any stock in a matter of seconds. Do you want to analyze any of your stocks for free? You want VectorVest to tell you what you really need to know about that stock? Well, you can. If you go to www.vectorvest.com/YTFSA, you can get a free stock analysis on any stock that you're currently holding or are possibly looking at. Folks, what do you have to lose? Do that now and analyze any of your stocks in a matter of seconds.
Before I get to show you the power of value and how to utilize it going into Nvidia's earnings, I want to go over a few demonstrations to really put some questions at ease here. One question we get here a lot has to do with the buy recommendation and value. Just to reiterate, they are two totally different things. There can be opportunities in overvalued positions. Like I mentioned before, you want to see that earnings per share rising. Taking a look at Broadcom here, look at the forecasted EPS. Nice steady rise, lower left, upper right. Over the last few months, rather flat. But look at price action. The last time it approached our valuation, investors thought they were getting a fair deal. The momentum changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. The buy rating capturing that uptrend, keeping our subscribers on the right side of the trade. The first sell recommendation flashed on December 17th. The close that day was 326. Right now, price action around 324. But ultimately, since reaching its highs, sell ratings are coming into place, showing that momentum in the price is shifting and the stock is now becoming more in fairly valued territory. So this is a perfect example how a stock that is over our valuation, being the green shaded line, can get a buy recommendations, bringing opportunities to our subscribers. Now, as you scroll down, we do have some more examples here. The next one is Microsoft. We see the momentum here with Microsoft using our date line here. The first buy recommendation, the close was 425. The buy rating lasted until the close that day was 517. You see price action, the momentum shifting directions here, sell ratings coming into place frequently over the last few weeks here. But look at price action. With Microsoft, the stock was trading at a premium, but now with price action below $400 and our current valuation at $430, this stock is now trading at discounted prices. Now, the stock did have rising earnings per share, which I can see why investors have been enthused about this position. However, they're not willing to pay that premium now. Now, the momentum is still to the downside. Now, as we go down to the next stock, we've got Netflix here, another stock that has rolled over here. You can see the buy ratings capturing that price momentum to the upside. Again, money can be made, but the story here is have caution. A lot of these stocks overvalued, now coming back to our valuation, and some of them becoming undervalued with this momentum to the downside. Now, we see Netflix trading under our valuation, which currently sits at $96.70. The stock, it's around $76, but the price pressure is still on, and that value investors can take advantage of this information. Now, the momentum is clearly to the downside, so I wouldn't be in a rush to jump in it. Now, here is the next position. We've got Hood, another greatly overvalued position. We see the opportunities to make money with the stock, giving it buy ratings, but look at the sales. They've been dominating over the last few months, and the first sell rating came in at a close of $115. The stock currently trading at 72. It is, just like the other stocks, on our way to our valuation now at $60.73. So it's approaching fairly valued territory. But again, look down below. The earnings per share, nice steady rise in earnings per share. That's exactly why investors felt the need to pay a premium. And as long as that premium was making them money, they were happy with it. But now that is not the case, and the valuation comes back into place. For the last example, before we get to Nvidia, very popular stock, AppLovin. A lot of news about software. Now you can see the stock here, great buy recommendations, taking advantage of those uptrends so our subscribers can make money. However, sell recommendations in effect right now, momentum to the downside. The stock that was once trading at a premium, now fairly valued, coming in around $386, while we value the company just at $356. Now again, focus on the EPS down below. Look at the common theme. A lot of these buy-rated stocks showed momentum to the upside because expectations are high. They are delivering, and forecasted earnings per share is on the rise. So without further ado, let's use these same principles for Nvidia. All right, here is Nvidia, the earnings report we're all anticipating coming tomorrow evening. Same layout, keeping it simple, keeping it focused on value. That being said, value is painting a nice picture when it comes to Nvidia. The other stocks, not so much, right? You can see there's a difference in this position. This stock has actually been on the rise over the last year. Now in a consolidation phase, but look at the value. The value continues to climb. This stock is not greatly overvalued. We value the company at $260.78. Again, this is not a price target, but what we feel the stock is intrinsically worth. In addition to that, look at the earnings per share below. Nice steady rise in earnings per share. Just like some of those other stocks, a little stagnant since the beginning of the year. So this earnings report, the two things I'm looking out for. One, if that earnings per share, the forecasted data can continue to rise. In addition, if value can hold its ground and also continue to rise just by utilizing the simple layout here in the VectorVest software, we could see Nvidia might just be shaping up to be a great value opportunity in the making. And that being said, another thing I like about Nvidia, look at the buy ratings coming back in the picture. Now, after we saw that momentum, we saw the buy rating, a lot of money to be made with Nvidia during that rally, but we have not gotten a sell rate. That is why I'm optimistic about Nvidia going into earnings. Not only does this company have a buy rating within the VectorVest software, it's undervalued, and look at those earnings per share over the last 12 months. Phenomenal performance, in which here at VectorVest, we feel earnings will be the engine to drive that stock price even higher. If you found this video speaking to you, I'm going to give you two resources you could check out. The first one is going to be the free stock analysis report. The link is in the description below. So if you have a stock in your portfolio that is in question, you want to know the intrinsic value to give you clear guidance going forward, take advantage of the link in the description below. In addition, if you want to take the next step, the VectorVest trial, the link is down below. Just go to VectorVest.com/YT. Now, if you found the video informative, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel and stuck around, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next presentation.
Hey, VV Nation, do you have access to the VectorVest tool, the most powerful tool in the industry right now? No? Well, I'm going to give you an opportunity to take advantage of an outstanding deal. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. You can take advantage of VectorVest 30 days for $9.95. That's an outrageous price for a trial. So what do you get? Well, you get the opportunity to see how we have outperformed the S&P 500 by over 2,000% for the last 20 years. We'll go down and we can see that we track over 18,000 stocks globally and have access to analyzing those. And we've got 25 years of accurate market predictions. Yes, folks, we time the market. Simply, folks, all you have to do is go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. $9.95 for 30 days. And we offer a hassle-free refund. Folks, take advantage of it right now.